Welcome to Roeslein Modular Fabrication. Roeslein is committed to your safety and the safety of our employees during your visit. Before your visit begins, we have a few very important items we would like to review to help ensure your safety and the safety of others. Before entering our production floor, we ask that you sign in at the front desk. Please make sure you have a visitor's badge, a pair of safety glasses or your prescription glasses, a hard hat, and a visitor safety vest, which are required at all times while on the plant floor. If you do not have your PPE, please request one from your Roeslein representative before entering the construction area. Our PPE policy requires all Roeslein employees to wear protective safety toe boots. Visitors on approved tours and with a tour guide may enter the facility without safety-toed shoes. We prohibit tennis shoes, open-toe, or heeled shoes on the production at all times. If you are visiting Roeslein and plan to work within the facility or other project areas, please request assistance from the EHS department for additional training and requirements. A visitor's guide is available to assist you. We recommend that someone in your group carry the guide while on your tour in the event you get separated from your tour guide. The use of cellular phones, taking photos, using tobacco or alcohol products, and food is prohibited on the production floor. All chemicals brought into the facility must be approved by EHS before entering the production floor. Due to the volume of activity and size of our facility, we request that you stay with your Roeslein representative at all times during your tour. No visitor is allowed on the production floor without a guide. Be aware of moving equipment within our facilities, such as fork trucks or scissor lifts. Stay clear of all moving parts and materials. Do not cross under machine or materials being lifted in the air. Look in both directions before crossing intersections or entering and leaving the various buildings. Please also be aware of in-process materials that may be stored at floor level. Do not attempt to cross or step over these materials as they could shift and create a trip hazard. When touring our fabrication departments, please remember to keep 20 feet away from all welding and grinding stations and never look directly at the welding arc without the proper eye protection. For the safety of our employees, please do not interrupt or distract the operators. In the event of a fire or evacuation emergency, an alarm will sound followed by a notice to evacuate the building. Please make your way to the nearest emergency exit. All emergency exits are illuminated and clearly marked, and go to one of the 4 primary corners on the outside of the building to wait for instruction from site management and accountability process. In the event of a weather emergency, please take shelter in one of the 3 storm shelters which are located in the employee lunchroom and bathrooms in the front assembly building, the employee restroom in the back fabrication building, and the upstairs office bathrooms. For all other emergency types, an alarm will sound and instructions will be announced over the PA system. If you witness an incident or non-compliance in our shop, report it immediately to the tour guide, EHS department, or site management. Your report is important to us and will be investigated promptly. If this is an emergency, stop. Request assistance from a Roeslein employee and explain the situation. This will start our emergency response protocol. Thank you for visiting our facility and taking time to watch this short safety video. Safety is everyone's responsibility, and we know you take safety as seriously as we do. We look forward to receiving any and all feedback you may have about our facility, our work, or our employees. Please enjoy your visit and remember to make it a safe day.